Aloha, it's Tani here, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make Mochiko Chicken. Mochiko Chicken is another popular dish in Hawaii that has some Japanese roots. It's fried chicken that is dredged in sweet rice flour, giving it a nice, sweet, savory, and slightly crunchy and chewy texture. Be aware, it is highly addicting. You'll need the following ingredients. You can get any Mochiko flour at any Asian store. First, in a large bowl, add in eggs, shoyu, sugar, cornstarch, Mochiko flour, garlic, and salt. Mix all of the ingredients well. Then add in the sesame seeds and green onions. By adding it in last, mix it gently with the ingredients. Set it aside. Next, prep the chicken thighs by cutting it lengthwise or bite-sized pieces. I found it easier and faster to cut it this way, but cut it to your preferences. Add the chicken to the marinade and mix it well. Cover the bowl with plastic wrap and let it marinate in the fridge for 4 hours to overnight. The longer it soaks, the more flavor the chicken will have. This part is optional if you want to spice up the chicken. Just mix together mayonnaise and sriracha. Set it aside to use as a sauce for the mochiko. When the marinade is ready, add the chicken pieces to hot oil. Let it cook until one side is brown, then flip it. When the whole chicken is golden brown, remove it from the oil and set it aside on a plate lined with paper towel to catch any remaining oil. Serve it hot with rice and add on that sauce to give it a little kick. Enjoy this onolicious Mochiko chicken. If you enjoy this recipe, make sure you subscribe and hit the bell notification so you don't miss any upcoming recipes. Mahalo!